In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails by country using Klaviyo. This powerful yet straightforward technique allows you to target your audience more effectively, ensuring your message gets to the right people at the right time, which is essential for any marketing strategy. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and click on the login link. This will bring you to the login page where you'll enter your email and password and make sure you're entering the credentials for the account you want to work on. Once you've entered your details, click on Login to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, you're ready to start creating a new list specifically for the country you want to target. To do this, find and click on the Create List button. It's usually located in the Lists and Segments section of your dashboard. Here, you're laying the groundwork to ensure that your emails reach a curated audience based on geographical location. You'll then be prompted to fill in some details for your new list. Give your list a clear, descriptive name that reflects the targeted country or region. This will help you keep your lists organized and make it easier to navigate your dashboard as you create more lists down the line. Once you've entered all the required information, confirm by clicking on Create List again. With your list now set up, it's time to add contacts. Navigate to your newly created list and select Quick Add. This option is designed for you to manually enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to include in your list. It's suitable for adding contacts individually or in small batches. Type in the email address of your contact and ensure it belongs to a user from the country you are targeting. After entering the email address, you'll need to click on Add Profile. This action officially adds the contact to your list. Repeat this process for each contact you wish to add. Keep in mind that the precision of your targeting relies on the accuracy of the information you input. It's crucial to ensure that the email addresses correspond to the correct geographic locations to maintain the integrity of your list. It's also worth noting that Klaviyo offers advanced segmentation options. Although we're focusing on adding contacts manually by country in this video, remember that Klaviyo can automatically segment your audience based on various criteria, including geographical location. This can save you time and increase the effectiveness of your campaigns. As we wrap up, let's go over some final thoughts. Targeting your emails by country is not only about reaching a particular geographic area. It's about making your content relevant, increasing engagement, and ultimately driving conversions. The steps we've covered today are a fundamental part of any targeted marketing strategy, laying the groundwork for more personalized and effective communication. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is understanding your audience. By taking the time to segment your contacts and curate your lists thoughtfully, you're setting yourself up for better engagement rates and a stronger connection with your audience. And that's it. You've learned how to send emails by country using Klaviyo. It's a straightforward process, but don't underestimate its power. Tailoring your approach to fit the specific needs and context of your diverse audience can significantly impact your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Dive in, start segmenting your audience, and watch the positive impact on your email marketing campaigns. Happy emailing!